Welcome back to the grand final of TVJ Schools Challenge 2014. The scores are Campion on 21 and KC also on 21. Let me explain, there was a scoring error. We should have ended at 21 for Campion and 20 for KC. And KC got an additional point in the break for the question which mountain range separates the Asian and European continents, and the Ural Mountains is acceptable. And so we're even Steven, 21-21. Let's get into the buzzer challenge. Teams must press the buzzer and wait to be identified before giving their answer. 2 points will be added for correct answers, but teams will lose 2 points if the answer is incorrect. Teams, it's time for you to gear up with your quick fingers, quick thinking, and fast answers, which could put you one step closer to winning this championship. Let's have 4 minutes on the clock, please. And the first question comes from Bible knowledge. Which Old Testament prophet said concerning the Messiah, "By his stripes we are healed"? Campion.
Isaiah.
Correct. Biology. 6 major types of infectious agents are recognized by modern medicine. 4 of these are bacteria, viruses, fungi, and protozoa. Name any one of the other 2. Campion.
Prions.
Correct. English language. Identify the figure of speech used in this sentence. A horse is a very stable animal. Campion.
Metaphor.
Incorrect. Pun. Local and international affairs. This is a visual question, so please look at the clip and identify this person. KC.
Robert Ready.
Correct. Canadian High Commissioner to Jamaica. Chemistry. Place in order of increasing electrical conductivity. Gold, silver, copper. KC.
Gold, copper, silver.
Correct. Music. Listen to the clip and identify the singer. Peter Tosh. General knowledge. 2 animals appear on the Australian coat of arms. One is the kangaroo. What is the other? Campion.
Emu.
Correct. Spanish. Translate into English. Estoy muy triste. Campion.
I'm very sad.
Correct. Geography. The largest island in Asia and the 3rd largest. KC.
Borneo.
Incorrect. The 3rd largest island in the world is divided among Brunei and Malaysia on the north, and which other country to the south? And the answer would be Indonesia. Theatre and cinema. Look at the clip and identify this classic actor. Clark Gable. Information technology. RIM Research in Motion is a Canadian telecommunications company, the parent company of the popular KC.
Quebec.
Incorrect. Popular BlackBerry smartphones. The corporate headquarters of RIM is located in which Canadian city? And the correct answer is Waterloo. History. Napoleon I was Emperor of France between 1804 and 1814, before he was replaced by which monarch? KC.
Louis the 18th.
Correct. Mathematics. What is the perimeter of a square with an area of 5 point... Campion?
All right, that is 11.25 centimeters.
Incorrect. Area of 5.29 centimeters squared, and that would be 9.2 centimeters. Physics. Name one of the 3 persons who shared the Nobel Prize in Physics in 2001, mainly for the achievement of Bose-Einstein condensation in dilute gases of alkali atoms. Eric Cornell, Wolfgang Ketterle, and Carl Wieman. Sports. Look at the monitor. Identify this person. Campion.
Garfield Sobers.
Garfield Sobers.
Sir Garfield Sobers. That is correct. Jamaican heritage. Which Jamaican high school uses the motto, Agi Animo? This is... Campion.
Immaculate.
No. Excelsior. It means to do it with thy might. French. What does dimanche du Pâques mean? KC.
Easter Sunday.
Correct. Literature. Pa Ben, Len, and Miss Aggie are characters in which KC?
Old story time.
That is correct. That's the end. That's the end of the final challenge and the end of the match. The scores are Campion on 25 and KC on 27. Our 2014 champions are Kingston College, and our runner-up is Campion College. We invite the captains to shake hands in keeping with the Schools Challenge quiz tradition. Final scores are Campion College on 25 and Kingston College on 27. Campion College is coached by Mr. Randall Campbell and Mr. Troy Stone, while Kingston College is coached by Jeffrey Foreman and Kenneth Peart. And I now invite Mr. J. Lester Spalding, Chairman of the RGR Communications Group, to present the TVJ Schools Challenge Quiz Championship Trophy to our winners.